My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Just a little about me. I'm a national expert in resolution matters. I have a very large Facebook following. I've been on Fox Business News and ABC. On my channel, there's a lot of do-it-yourselfers and people really who need to know the truth about the IRS stuff. I don't follow a script. I really don't need to follow a script because I've been doing this long. So the truth is really what you're interested in. So what I like to do is pull the curtain back and understand what insiders know about different processes. When you know what the inside's thinking, it's easier to go ahead and do what you need to do to resolve your problem. So most people don't know if they have not filed a tax return, IRS can file for you. That's called the substitute for return, where IRS goes ahead and just decides to file your return. So how do they do that? Very simple. So if I got a case and I'm working for the IRS, which I did, I can simply go online and pull up all your information that you have. If you haven't filed, or how's IRS going to get that? Well, third parties report to the IRS. All W-2s, 1099, bank information, that all goes into a certain K-2 computer, CADE computer system. Once that information is loaded, that K2 system with all their new algorithms scan through everyone's information. So if they don't see a tax return filed, and their income sources show they do, or financial activity, it matches to your social security number, and boom, they send you out a letter. It says, hey, you haven't filed a return. Go ahead and respond to that return. What are they going to do? They're going to go ahead and pull the financial information they have on you, and they're going to file what's called a substitute for return. That's done under, not that you care, 6020B code section. They have the right to go ahead and do that. And what makes it worse, they take you as all the income, no deductions, married, filing, or you're single. So you have to pay the lowest amount allowed by law. So that's what you have waiting for. So when you get that letter, you have to challenge that letter because we know the letter's wrong. Most people have credits. They have other things they can deduct. They may have a business. They may have earned income credits. You have to call IRS and let them know that that tax liability is wrong, and you need to go ahead and correct it at that level. Now, if you found out later they already assessed you, what can you do there? IRS will go ahead and accept an IRS audit reconsideration down the road. Do not let IRS file a substitute for return for you. Now, I'm hoping when you hear this, you get filing your back tax returns. IRS has a policy statement 5-133 that only requires you file the last 6. By the way, IRS has on their records all wage and income that you have. So if you want to prepare your return, you can easily do it from there. So if you have any questions about the IRS Substitute for Return program, you're welcome to call me, leave a comment. And by the way, if you found this helpful, if you'd subscribe to me, that's how YouTube goes ahead and I have value. Give me a like, leave a comment. I usually get black with most of my comments, but remember, if you get a substitute for return, you have to follow that up. IRS is going to go ahead and bill you, and then down the road, if you don't take care of the bill, they're going to send a lien, a levy, and a garnishment. So make sure you take care of the matter. It's easy to get back in the system, so stop being so scared. Leave me a subscription.